Ever since the rise of online banking, a question has lingered in the minds of many: are these new, digital banks safe for my hard-earned cash? Today, we're diving deep into one such challenger bank, Neon Bank, to see if it lives up to its bright, digital facade. Now, Neon might seem like a new kid on the block, but looks can be deceiving. Switzerland boasts a strong financial system, and Neon is no exception. But there's a twist. Buckle up, because Neon itself isn't actually a licensed bank. Hold on, what? Don't panic. This might sound strange, but here's the secret sauce. Neon partners with a well-established Swiss bank, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, founded way back in 1868. This partnership is key to Neon's safety. Here's why. Hypothekarbank Lenzburg holds your money. Neon acts as the cool, user-friendly app, but your funds are safely tucked away in a real, licensed bank account with Hypothekarbank Lenzburg. They've been managing money for over 150 years, so they know what they're doing. Swiss Deposit Insurance protects you. Just like any other Swiss bank account, Neon benefits from this fantastic safety net. If, in the highly unlikely scenario, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg runs into trouble, your money is insured up to a whopping 100,000 Swiss francs, roughly $108,000. That's a significant chunk of change. But wait, there's more. Even though Neon itself isn't a bank, they take security seriously. Here are some additional layers of protection. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra step to logging in and making payments. It's like a double lock on your account, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Focus on mobile security. Neon emphasizes keeping your phone secure, which is your key to your account. They recommend using a strong passcode and keeping your phone's software updated. So, is Neon safe? Based on what we've seen, all signs point to yes. Neon leverages the strength and security of a traditional bank while offering a sleek, mobile-first experience. Your money is well protected with deposit insurance and strong security measures. However, it's important to remember that online security is a two-way street. Here are some things you can do to keep your Neon account extra safe. Be cautious of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or enter your login details on unknown websites. Neon will never ask for your information via email or text. Choose strong passwords and PINs. Avoid birthdays, pet names, or easily guessable combinations. Report any suspicious activity immediately. If you notice something strange with your account, don't hesitate to contact Neon's customer support. The verdict. Neon offers a safe and convenient banking experience, leveraging the security of a traditional Swiss bank. However, remember, online security is a shared responsibility. By following some basic precautions, you can make your Neon account even more secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.